Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, let's see what we will be expecting on our GBPUSD. So, let's see the trend on our GBPUSD. At first, we were on a downtrend move. Market was trending downward. We can see a series of lower low and a lower high, a series of lower low and a lower high. Right now, we would now start going on an uptrend move. So this is our first high, and here's our pullbacks forming. So our next movement on GU would be a new high. So this pattern, this movement will be for swing traders. You would want to be looking for your buy setup. Only hop in on the buy once you get your buy setup. So possibly if we can get the buy setup around here, we push up, we'll be grabbing about 150 pips in profit. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is our forward time frame, which you can see as the support level. You can see it right here. Multiple rejection, market rejected from here. Market drop, it's also rejecting from here. Market is rejecting from here, and market also, market rejected from here, drop, it pushed up, now it has dropped, and we are now at this level. So we would be expecting market to actually reject from here and push up one more time again. So our next forecast and our next buyers on GBPUSD should be a buy. If there will be any changes to this movement, I will let you guys know. So just stay updated.